If your server starts acting slow or unresponsive, sometimes a simple reboot can fix everything. CloudRaptor allows you to restart or reboot your server directly from the dashboard with just a few clicks. To access this, go to the server's dashboard, select your server, and open the Power Control tab. To restart your server, click Restart Server, then confirm the action. This performs a full operating system reboot. The server shuts down safely, then starts again. During the reboot, all services are restarted automatically. This includes Nginx, Docker, and your database services. The server may temporarily show as rebooting or inactive. You should restart your server when system updates require it, when services become unresponsive, or when configuration changes need a full reload. Once the reboot is complete, your server status returns to active. All services resume automatically, and your applications become accessible again. Keep in mind, during the reboot process, your applications may be temporarily unavailable, so it's best to restart during low traffic periods. That's how you quickly restart your server in CloudRaptor.